Hello, little friends. It's me, your happy hobby storytime bunny. Celebrate Make a Book Day on May 8th, where imagination comes to life, one page at a time. Let's hop to it.
Today, we're celebrating May 8th, Make a Book Day, the perfect time to unlock your creativity and learn exactly how to make a book from scratch. Whether you dream of publishing a novel, designing a photo book, or just want to know how to get started with self-publishing, this video will guide you through every step. Let's dive into the essentials of book creation, design, and publishing, so you can bring your story to life. Making a book is more than just writing words on a page, it's about sharing your story, your art, or your memories in a way that lasts. Whether you're a first-time author or a creative hobbyist, learning how to make a book gives you total control over your vision, from concept to final product. Plus, it's a fantastic way to celebrate your creativity on Make a Book Day. Start with a clear idea. Choose a theme and genre that excites you. Maybe it's an adventure novel, a heartfelt memoir, or a photo book of your favorite moments. Outline your story or content in chapters or sections. Setting small, daily writing goals will help you build momentum and turn your ideas into a finished manuscript. Use keywords like how to write a book, book outline template, and beginner book writing in your notes and titles to help others find your journey. Once your manuscript is complete, editing is key. Review your work for grammar, spelling, and flow. Use tools like Grammarly or ask a friend for feedback. Now, let's talk book design. Tools like Canva make it easy to create stunning book covers and layouts, even if you're a beginner. Choose readable fonts, set clear margins, and use templates to organize your chapters and images. High-quality visuals, like PNGs or JPGs, can bring your pages to life, especially for photo books. Make your book special by adding personal touches. Custom covers, unique fonts, and heartfelt dedications can transform your book into a one-of-a-kind keepsake. You have two main publishing options. DIY self-publishing gives you control over everything, from formatting and cover design to printing and marketing. This path offers creative freedom and higher royalties, but it requires more effort. Professional or supported publishing involves a company handling editing, design, and distribution. Ready to print? Compare local and online printing services for price, quality, and turnaround time. For distribution, consider both online retailers and local bookstores. Promote your book on social media with eye-catching cover images and engaging posts to reach more readers. Promotion is crucial. Build excitement on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Share behind-the-scenes looks at your bookmaking process, host giveaways, or collaborate with other creators. Use hashtags like #MakeABookDay, #BookDesign, and #self-publishing to reach a wider audience. Making a book is an exciting journey, one that anyone can start on Make a Book Day. With the right tools, a bit of patience, and a lot of creativity, you can create something truly special. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more creative how-tos, and share your bookmaking plans in the comments below. Happy Make a Book Day, go create your masterpiece.
Well, my little friends, wasn't that a hoptastic adventure? Stories made today, memories for a lifetime. Thanks for joining us. Your next book adventure awaits. Happy reading, little bunnies. Bye-bye.